investigating the case currently. What is being said that they have found a suspect who is said to be behind the attack. Now, according to the crime branch, the unknown person entered from the adjacent building of Saif Ali Khan and then jumped the wall and entered his premises. Shrishti is with us, joining us live right now. Shrishti, the updates after much investigation that is now coming in. Exactly how did this intruder actually gain access to Saif Ali Khan's residence in the first place? Shrishti? Yes.
Well, of course, right now where we are present is at the back side of the building of Saif Ali Khan. You can see in the visuals, the forensic team is present. They are again taking the evidences. They are trying to take the fingerprints and blood samples as well. We have seen that the officials are present inside the building. You can see in the visuals, the officials are here. The forensic team is doing their own part. Several vans of police is also entering the building. Police is suspecting that there is a high possibility that the attacker has gone inside from the other building in the building of Saif Ali Khan. So that angle needs to be probed, and that's why the DCP crime branch is still present inside and probing the entire matter. It will be very much important when Saif will be in a condition to speak to the officials that how exactly this entire thing unfolded. He will be talking about it, but importantly what comes to fore is that he was attacked, then he was taken to hospital, the surgery has been done, he is out of danger. That was the statement given out by his team as well, but several teams of Mumbai Police and Crime Branch are looking at the particular accused, the attacker. He is still absconding is what we are coming to know. You can see in the visuals, a lot of action is happening over here. Police are present. They are coming outside the building of Saif Ali Khan. Several details are being noted by the police officials, and not just from this building of Saif Ali Khan, but also from the other buildings which are near the residence of Saif Ali Khan in Bandra area. Importantly, CCTV footages will also be noted. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Sir, क्या evidences आपने collect किए हैं? कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, sir? Sir, so these are the visuals of
उनका ऑपरेशन मिस्टर सैफ अली खान का ऑपरेशन अच्छे से हो गया है। उनका न्यूरो सर्जरी और प्लास्टिक सर्जरी दोनों कंप्लीट हुआ है और उनको ऑपरेशन थिएटर से हमने आईसीयू में शिफ्ट किया है फॉर 1 day ऑब्जर्वेशन। आफ्टर दैट वील डिसाइड टुमारो। राइट नाउ इट इज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। ही इज ऑन रिकवरी पाथ। as per our initial understanding. तो दो एकदम गहरी चोटें हैं, और दो एब्रेशन जैसा खरोच से कैसे आ जाता है, तो चाकू का नोक से ऐसा खरोच से आ गया है। इतना बड़ा 2.5 इंच का चाकू का पीस अंदर स्पाइन से हमने निकाला है। डॉक्टर डांगे उस बारे में आपको ठीक से बताएंगे।
थोड़ा पिछाड़ जाओ, बोलने दो आपको, बोलने दो।
So, Mr. Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning at 2 a.m. at Leelavati Hospital with alleged history of assault by some unknown person. At 2 a.m. he sustained major injury to the thoracic spinal cord due to lodged knife in the spine. Surgery was performed to remove the knife and also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and one on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. The entire surgery was monitored by Dr. Srinivas Kudwa as a cardiologist because of his other condition. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, we are doing our best to make him feel comfortable and he's recovering well. Thank you.
Saif Ali Khan giving out the information as far as his medical condition is concerned, saying that right now he is said to be in a stable condition. However, there was grievous injury to his spinal cord. He is out of danger, and there was a neurosurgery that was performed. Currently, he's been shifted to the ICU, and he will be kept under observation for now. However, there were two deep wounds, Srishti, as the doctors have been saying. Two of them were aberrations. However, there was also a piece of knife that was taken out from his spine. So mainly that we are looking at as far as the attack is concerned, it was serious one. It was a deep, gash or this wound that he had sustained in his spine. The spinal cord injury is something that we are told by the doctors that he had suffered when this attack happened.
Well, of course, the doctors has mentioned that there was a spinal cord injury which has happened, and the piece of knife was also removed from the spinal area of his back, of Saif's back, and now he is out of danger. Doctors importantly mentioned that the fluid was also leaking, and that was also treated well, and he is out of danger. But this is a serious surgery which has been done by the Lilavati hospital doctors on Saif Ali Khan. This was a serious injury. Currently, he is out of danger, but it will take time for him to recover. There are several injuries on his arms as well. So, of course, this is a serious attack on Saif Ali Khan. Right now, where we are present is in front of the house of Saif Ali Khan, where this entire attack happened. Police is probing the entire matter. Just now, the forensic team has left. They have collected several evidences, including the blood samples, the fingerprints, and other details as well. Crime branch officials are also interrogating 4 people, that is 3 are the house staff of the Saif Ali Khan, and 1 is a security guard, and they are taking their statements and understanding what exactly happened. But importantly, if we show you in the visuals that this is the building in which Saif Ali Khan and his family resides, the scuffle happened, and that's when he got injured, and the attacker attacked him with knife, and that's how this entire incident unfolded. He stays on the 12th floor of this building. Again and again, we are, trying to highlight the security lapses which has happened. Now, what police sources are telling us is that the attacker went inside this particular building from the another building, and that's how he tried to manage to go inside. But is there any insider who has helped him to go inside? That also remains to be seen. Earlier, there was a floor repair work which was going on in his residence, and that's when there are high chances that this particular attacker went inside the house and done the recce of the entire apartment. That is also a high possibility. So all the angles are being probed, but importantly, police is probing all the CCTV cameras. Here also there is a CCTV camera in parking area. I would ask my video journalist to show around. There is one CCTV camera over there in the parking area which looks after the people and the cars which comes and goes inside the building from the back gate. And there is also a small hut for a security guard. He also asks people if there are any kind of appointments or not when they are going inside. So of course, a lot of security lapses here is what we can witness. Now police is probing not just this particular building, the buildings around this area as well. This is a front building in front of the Bandra residence of Saif Ali Khan, and police teams are constantly present over here, and you can see in the visuals still the officials are there, and they are trying to understand what exactly happened, and was the attacker present
as far
at
as
this
the doctor there is concerned, coming out to give a detailed update on the actor's condition, exactly what had happened with him, the injuries, the wounds that he received, and the medical procedure that he underwent. We also have Shweta, who is joining us live right now. Let's first listen in to what the doctor said.
Mr. Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning at 2 a.m. at Lilavati Hospital with alleged history of assault by some unknown person. At 2 a.m. he sustained major injury to the thoracic spinal cord due to lodged knife in the spine. Surgery was performed to remove the knife and also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and 1 on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. The entire surgery was monitored by Dr. Srinivas Kudwa as a cardiologist because of his other colleague. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger. Thank you.
Well, Shweta is also with us right now. Shweta, well, as far as the actor's condition is concerned, that is said to be stable. He will be kept under observation. However, when it comes to the family, the other friends from the eternity, and also when it comes to the people there who have been reacting to this unfortunate incident that has now been reported. However, when it comes to this burglar or this intruder, he still is reported to be at large. As far as the investigation is concerned, how many people till now are being questioned, or how many individual statement is also being recorded?
Well, that's right. In fact, we are reporting from Lilavati Hospital. Just a short while back, in fact, the team of doctors, the team of neurosurgeon and CEO of Lilavati Hospital have briefed the media about the condition of actor Saif Ali Khan. Now, while interacting with the media, Dr. Neeraj Uttamani, he mentioned that he was brought to the hospital with several injuries and he was treated. Currently, he is under observation. His surgery has been concluded. Over to which Dr. Dange, who conducted his surgery, he stated that a plastic surgery has happened near his neck area on the left side because of the injury that he sustained was deep in nature. Moreover, the spine injury was also deep, for which the neurosurgery has been done. So clearly, out of 6 injuries, 2 were deep in nature. And while interacting, they also said that now Saif Ali Khan is stable in condition. He is under observation, and they will be deciding by end of the day whether to discharge him tomorrow or not. But as of now, he's doing absolutely fine. This was the CEO informing us while interacting, and he said that tomorrow they would be taking a call. The team of doctors, they would be going again, checking Saif Ali Khan's health. The health bulletin would be out, and then it will be known whether he has to be under observation.
Update that we are getting for our viewers. Let's in the